Good morning. Jeffrey Friedman, Senior Commodity Broker with RJO Futures with morning comments on the stock index futures. Little background. First of all, the word of the day is the Bernanke show. Everybody's been waiting. It's a two-day meeting. He's in front of the Senate Banking Committee and he delivered his speech. It's question and answer time. But before we discuss that, let's do a quick review. A little stall on the bailout in Europe, slightly disappointing. We're in the midst of earnings. 31 out of 47 stocks in the S&P beat the street. Earnings are going fairly well, so that's an upbeat. We did have CPI, that was more of an upbeat, taking out food and energy. That was a little disappointing. So the month of June, commodities and energies basically were deflating, okay, and that's why the underlying core is better than the highlight of the actual report, okay. Manufacture was an upbeat, and overall our economy is very sluggish. Now we'll jump to Bernanke. He was telling us that it's very frustrating, our employment situation is very frustrating, and we have slow growth. What was the market participation looking for? QE3. He's saying he's ready and willing, but they're not going to pull the trigger. That made the dollar go up, and it made the stock market go down. If you're looking at a short-term trend, I'd have to say that economic growth here, China, and in Europe is slightly disappointing, but not falling off the cliff at the moment. If you look at the short-term trend in the stock market index futures, we'll look at the S&P September, we are making higher highs and higher lows. We're trending up. The last time I was here, I said your pivot number, where you draw the line in the sand was the phrase, was 1330. We were around 1315, and we rallied all the way back up and closed right at 30. So that told the bulls, stay long, try to buy good dips. Here we are about 5 to 7 lower, and we are a lot higher than 1330. If we pull back to 1330, 1325, that would be a nice support level. That would keep the bulls in control. Okay, a close under 1325 would let the bears get a little more momentum and control of the market. On the rally up, I see that there would be resistance 1356. If you'd like more information on any markets, fundamentally, technically, short-term, long-term, you should be calling me, Jeff Friedman. I'd love to help you in any way I can, and you should be calling me at 800-826-4124. And remember always, trading futures or option to futures involves risk of loss and is not suitable for everyone. Good luck and good trading.